Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa kasaysayan ng sadatahang lakas ng Pilipinas, after 88 years, mayroon na tayong babaeng tagapagsalita ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at siya ang kakatawa sa militar at haharap sa mga mamamahayag. Member ng Class 2000, 27 years sa serbisyo at isang respetado at premyadong global expert sa cybersecurity at technology. Kinilala siya sa US-based United Cybersecurity Alliance bilang 2023 Global Cybersecurity Woman Leader of the Year at tinalo niya ang nominees from 62 countries. At makakapanayam natin ngayon si Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla Taborlupa, live na live sa Kada Umaga.
Hello, Colonel! Magandang umaga po. Thank you for being here! Congratulations!
Thank you,
Isang karangalan po para sa amin na mapaunlakan ng ating bisita ngayong umaga. Colonel, kamusta po? Kailan
Okay
po ba
lang
kayo
po.
na-appoint as a spokesperson, first female spokesperson ng Armed Forces of the Philippines in 88 years, di ba po?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
Anong 15 January lang po ako umupo, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is my second week on the job.
Oh, how has it been so far?
It's still a whirlwind of events po.
Ano ba, para po sa kaalaman ko at ng ating mga kadang nanonood, ano po ba ang duties and responsibilities ng isang spokesperson? Who do you directly answer to, ganyan? How does your day begin?
Ang spokesperson, ma'am, is actually the alter ego of the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So I'm the voice of General Bronner. So I directly report to him po for his guidance and kung ano po yung mga take niya on certain matters regarding the AFP. And I also report to the AFP Public Affairs Office po kay Colonel Trinidad.
Okay. And so, what is it? Ano po, how does your day look every day? Maaga po ba nagsisimula?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there always press cons?
I keep saying na I'm the new spokesperson, I have no life. Kasi ma'am, iba yung linya ko prior. So it's more of like a learning curve for me this past few weeks. So I have to be really abreast with the current events and all that. So all of my free time, I have to read, I have to watch lahat. So, and also I ask a lot of mentors to teach me the trick of the trade. So si General Zagala po is really one very good mentor in my case. He used to be the spokesperson then.
Ano po yung mga important points na sinabi ng mga mentors ninyo about becoming a spokesperson for the AFP?
One that really stuck with me, ma'am, is be yourself. No, so you don't have to pretend to be anyone. You know, just you can express yourself freely kapag ikaw talaga yon. How you speak, how you really take on things. So I really want to have an understanding of certain situations, but I can explain it in the way that I can really speak about it from the heart.
As spokesperson po ba, do you need to get clearance about every single thing that you release to the public?
Yes, ma'am. I'm the spokesperson, no? So I am the medium. I am ganon. So I am not gonna speak about my own opinions, but of course, every time I speak, it's the stand of the AFP.
Tama. At
Yes, ma'am.
napaka-critical po kasi ng trabaho ninyo, di ba? Kasi it deals with the peace and order situation of the country, di ba?
Yes.
Pero ikaw po yung pinakaunang female spokesperson in the AFP and its entire history. How does it make you feel po? Medyo nakaka-pressure po ba? And why do you think the AFP decided to go with a woman this time?
Actually, it's more of like a very humbling experience. No, while the trust and confidence was given to you to serve as a spokesperson, but in my case, syempre, dami ko pa ring doubt sa sarili ko. Can I really live up to the expectations of all those people saying, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan? So at this point, ma'am, I would really appreciate constructive criticism more than yung sinabi, ang galing-galing. Hindi yun sa punto ko eh. Mas gusto ko na somebody would critique how I do things. Like sometimes I turn to my family and they would say, "Oh, bilis-bilis mo magsalita doon." Parang ganon. So you're like very excited when you speak. So medyo hinay-hinay lang, mga ganon. So yung family ko is really very big help this past few weeks, ma'am, yung mga non-verbals ko, like you say a lot of us, you say a lot of no, mga ganon. So,
they're always your biggest critic.
Yes, ma'am.
The family, diba? Talagang ano yan, no punches pulled, diba? No holds barred, lahat sasabihin talaga sa'yo. So that's good. It's a very honest assessment and very honest evaluation. But ang pamilya niyo po ba talagang pamilya ng mga military people? Kasi po, is that the reason why pinasok niyo po ito?
Hindi po, ma'am, no. Sa family namin, ako pa lang din yung first.
Wow.
Oo. Yung brother ko used to be a member of PMA, but he shifted towards civilian flying school.
Wow.
Oo, ma'am. So ako yung nagpatuloy in joining the army.
At bakit niyo po ito dineside para sa inyong sariling buhay? It's a male-dominated po talaga ang inyong mundo. So, kamusta po yun?
Medyo sanay ako, ma'am, sa male-dominated because I'm the only girl from 4 siblings. So, growing up, talagang puro lalaki na yung kasama ko. And then, going to college, ma'am, I joined civil engineering in UST. So, male-dominated pa rin siya. And then, PMA, of course, super male-dominated. And now, the Army. And on top of that, STEM. So, in technology kasi, ma'am, puro lalaki din. So, yun.
Anong pakiramdam na lagi kang, majority ay puro lalaki ng mga larangan na pipili nyo?
Actually, ma'am, parang ano siya eh.
Bini-baby ka ba nila? Do they treat you differently? Like an equal or no?
Hindi, ma'am. I tend to be one of the boys. So, naging first din ako, ma'am, sa Presidential Guards in PSG.
Oo nga!
So, puro lalaki din yon. And they really say, hindi, yan si Francel, lalaki yan eh. Ganon. So, makikisama ka lang din talaga, ma'am. But what's really good with being the female is they listen to you. So, I think that's a plus. Because females offer something different to the table. So, may ibang flavor tayong ina-add to any conversation.
Oo. Swak na swak ka talaga po sa inyong bagong position as spokesperson because people tend to listen to you. Colonel, eto po, nabanggit nyo na rin na naging PSG po kayo once upon a time. Ano po yung mga medyo scary na mga events or incidents na experience nyo na?
I tend to be detailed kasi, no? So high-level leaders, no? So when the Queen of Spain came here, I was with her for 2 weeks. And she was a rock star, ma'am. She will go against security protocols.
Ay, talaga?
So kahit sabihin mong hindi ka pwedeng lumapit dyan sa crowd, hindi, pupunta siya doon, makikipagkamay siya. And she goes everywhere. We went to UST, and then we went to...
Security nightmare pala si Queen of
ma'am. And then we went to Zamboanga, and she was in a bulletproof car, and she wanted to go down. Because yung mga bata, nandun, tapos nag-wave ng flags. Tapos sabi niya, the poor kids, they can't even see me. Kasi, di ba, bulletproof na yung car. So bumaba siya, ma'am. So it was really a security nightmare for us. So, yun. And then, APEC Summit, I was detailed as the security officer for the President of Korea. And during that time, meron siyang threat. Opo. So, yung parang highest ministers niya would come to me and talk to me about the threat situation at hand. So, yun po, very, very big yung pressure for me.
Kasi kapag ganyan, di ba, sabi nila, base sa mga napanood kong mga pelikula, dapat kung ikaw ay PSG or nasa security detail ng isang high-level official, you're willing to take a bullet for them.
Yes. Ang training namin, ma'am, pag may granadang binato dyan, dadapaan mo yun. And kami yung human shield of sorts. So that's our training.
Ang tapang niyo po. Yes, at pero I'm sure na ito ang gusto ko malaman, Colonel, kung kayo po ay you're not at work. What are you like at home?
Foremost, ma'am, I'm a mom. So, mommy duties ako pag wala sa work. So, I would really like to spend quality time with my kids. So, pag nasa bahay kami, ma'am, more on budling trip, no? And movie marathons.
Movie marathons. Ilan po ang anak ninyo? Dalawa?
I have 2 sons.
Oh. Ano sa tingin niyo po ba, papunta na rin siya, sumusunod na po sila sa inyong yapak?
Yung isa ko, ma'am, he's a cadet in the PMA now. So, 2nd year na siya. So, hopefully po, ma'am, tuloy-tuloy na po.
Ngayon nakilala na po natin ang first ever female spokesperson ng AFP. Kikilalanin naman natin siya kapag hindi siya naka-duty. Babasahin niyo lang po, Colonel, ang mga sentences sa ating LED. At fill in the blanks lang po. Ituloy niyo lang po, Colonel Padilla, ang makikita ninyong mga incomplete statements dyan. Ito the spokes speaking for herself naman this time around. Kaya, if you're ready po, here is statement number 1. Ayan, dito po.
So, ang huli kong binili sa online shopping ay, actually, ma'am, I bought lights para sa bago kong unit. So, bumili ako ng ceiling lights for my unit.
Wow! Ano pa rin? Trabaho pa rin iniisip ni Colonel. Okay, next statement. Can we have it? Ayan.
Malakas akong kumain kapag ang ulam ay ma'am, kagabi lang yan. Nirequest ko kay ate, sinigang na may patis with sili. Yung green sili.
Wow! Sarap! Sinigang with patis. Oo nga.
Sinigang na baboy.
Ay, syempre. Ano pong sahog nung sinigang na baboy niyo?
Meron siya, ma'am, gabi. It's really, really very good with the gabi and the kangkong.
Nagluluto din po ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am. I do a lot. And maarte ako pag nagluto. Parang like gourmet siya. Kaya yung mga anak ko, ma'am, gustong-gusto nila pag nagluluto ako kasi may presentation.
Wow! Awesome! Statement number 3.
Hindi mawawala sa aking kikaybag ang basically, ma'am, because I'm in uniform, I don't do a lot of makeup, but breath mint is really one. Must not be.
Tama. Oo, para fresh. Kasi speaking is your line of work.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ba? Meron pa? Let's have number 4.
Ang bonding namin ng mga anak ko, I said this a while ago, ma'am, movie marathons, and food trips.
Ano ba mga hilig ninyong panoorin?
Ako, ma'am, I'm more into documentaries and real-life stories. Kasi mas nakaka-relate ka how they reacted, what they did, and all that.
And your sons, pagkasama niyo po ang mga anak ninyo?
Supportive sila, ma'am, kung anong... Oo. But they do recommend. Like sabi niya, Mami, manood ka ng Barbie. So, yung ganon. So, yun ang isasalang ko, ma'am, kung ano ni-recommend nila.
Oh, that's nice. Next?
Madali akong mapatawa kapag meron kaming company, ma'am, sa PMA. They're the Charlie Company.
Yes.
Ang tawag namin sa kanila, corny company. So, pagka magpapaproduce kayo ng joke, Charlie, ganyan. So, pag corny, ang sagot namin, ma'am, Charlie. So, kahit sobrang corny, tatawanan na lang din talaga namin.
Support.
Yes, support.
And the last one?
Matatakotin ako pagdating sa...
Naku.
Ay, naku, ma'am. Pinakaayaw ko.
Natatakot ka ba?
Yes, ma'am. Pinakaayaw ko yung masukal. Takot ako sa ahas. So, we did a training in Scout Rangers, ma'am. Talagang ang susukal, ma'am. Mas mataas sa tao yung damo. So, we really had to conquer our fears there.
Grabe, no? So, your training is just like the training of the men din, Colonel?
Yes, ma'am. No distinction.
Wow.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!